Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am at Auburn Acres Hop Farm in Auburn Township near Chagrin Falls in Ohio. I'm here with the Little Mountain Homebrewers, and we're getting a tour of the hop farm here. They grow multiple different types of hops here: Comet, Chinook. I think they have some Centennial, and then they sell them to local brewers here in the state. So I'm actually testing some beers that they've brewed with the hops from some local brewers. They got some samples here, which is very cool. So we're gonna check them out because it looks like they know how to brew strong. All right, a bonus to coming to the hop farm is they also grow other stuff. They had zucchini. So I'm gonna go figure out what to do with this zucchini as part of this whole experience. So we're gonna make some zucchini noodles or some zucchini lasagna or something, but we're gonna use this. So let's go see if I know how to feed well. All right, now I'm here at 8th Day Brewing Company in Chagrin Falls. Let's go check them out and see if they know how to brew strong. All right, I just left 8th Day Brewing Company. Excellent beer, by the way. Everything was delicious. And good friends, some friends from the Homebrew Club that I'm in here in Northeast Ohio. And now I'm gonna go take a break, rest, and then we're going to have tacos at Bookhouse Brewing Company. All right, I'm here at Bookhouse Brewing Company because there's a chef named Jeff who's cooking tacos today. So let's go check them out and see if between Bookhouse and Jeff, they know how to brew strong and feed well. I'm done at Bookhouse. The beer was excellent as usual, and the tacos were amazing. Jeff does a great job. If you ever see him here, get the food. Had the chicken tacos, and I had corn smut tacos. Corn smut is it's a fungus that grows on corn. It's considered a delicacy in Mexico, and it kind of tastes like a cross between black beans and mushrooms. And so that was the vegan option, and I had both, and they were both excellent. And he's got some sauces there to put on the tacos. Those are amazing as well. So check them out. Bookhouse and Jeff the Chef. Peace out.